Hello students, I am here again with some golden tips. If you follow them, it will save a lot of your time during the preparation of your physics exams. Our first tip. Hope you have watched our intro videos of 3-step strategy for doing dhamaka in physics exams. Today, my first golden tip is to teach you how to prepare this material smartly for exams. First of all, according to our 3-step strategy, you have to learn the important numericals for exams from SL Aurora, which already includes all the important NCERT numericals and some other numericals important for board exams. And then you have to prepare the questions of Arihant chapter wise. After this preparation, you have to give a self-test of what you have learned. In self-test, you have to cover the answers and give the test. In Arihant, answers are given separately, but in SL Aurora, they are given just below the questions. So hide them and then write the answers. Then you have to check your test by yourself, and also you have to give marks. Now one important thing is that it is but natural that you will write the answers with pen. So listen carefully. When you evaluate your test, you have to make corrections with pencil. You will think how this will help you? See, I will explain you. If you use the pencil, you can easily point out your mistake sections, that is, where you are doing mistakes. And it is the tendency of our mind that it tends to repeat the same mistakes. So before exams, when you are learning the material, you well know that which portion will require less time for revision and which portion will require more time for the revision. You can save time on the things which already you know well. And so finally the result is you will go for the exams with mistake-less preparation. As the section you know well is already well prepared by you, and now the section of your mistakes is also well prepared. So fully prepared material with no mistakes, no tension, no stress during the exams. Now the second tip. See, my dear students, physics is not a game of 1 or 2 months. So start doing preparations as early as possible. You know famous English proverb, a stitch in time saves 9. But I would say a preparation in time saves 9 things. No stress, no tension, no confusion, no nightmares, no fears, no tears, full preparation, full confidence and full marks. This tip is like a bitter pill, but it is good for your physics health. So start early preparations and stay happy during exams. These tips focus on small things, but if you follow them, they will give tremendous benefits in results. Okay students, if you like my video, you can share, but what will make me more happier is that if you like my video, please give self-tests and update me with the marks of each chapter in the comment box. Okay then, all the best for the preparations and God bless you. Thank you everyone.